Hello everybody. Your face is kind of dark. Let me just put some baby powder. I guess a little bit. And okay, it's too many. I actually putting on it. And some little touch. Let me just wipe that out. Okay, I'm going to cut it for a little bit. Okay, it's all done now. Let me just wipe my another is summer sleep. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We are dead soon. Wait a minute. Stop it. You know why it's just Cinnamoroll? Because my favorite is in Cinnamoroll. Card collection book